Check out this Dodge 2019 Journey Crossroad. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include engine, 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT, STD, tires, P225/55R19 BSWAS steering, STD, quick order package 22S included, engine 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP light gray accent stitching, pitch black clear coat, transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD, black leather seats with sport mesh inserts, front-wheel drive, power steering and ABS. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.